what I was doing is that this whole thing slid down, right? And so I put the tape on, but it was all flapping, right? So before I put the nails in, I pulled this out a little bit, and then I used the Gorilla Glue to go across, and then I pushed it back and I put the nails on. And then the reason the tape's here, I'm going to use those to cover up the holes, and I can paint, and then you won't see it. The problem is, when I pulled this out and I squirted the Gorilla Glue, I was unaware that the Gorilla Glue, are you in here? The Gorilla Glue went down through here onto the clothing. And so it's like, this is a Switch Crew shirt, but it's not like, this isn't like one of, that doesn't work. You didn't turn on the microphone. So the problem is, it didn't get all of them. It just got like,
did it get any of your clothes or
No.
just mine?
it just got these because it was right here where this was all come apart. I put some tape up there just now so it won't keep dripping, but it was just like the corner of the clothes. It just sucks. And I know you hate shopping for clothing.
My husband went to fix something. So my husband was fixing the trim work in our bedroom closet. And he put some Gorilla Glue in there before he nailed it shut. Did he think to take my clothes out?
No, it wasn't. Sheila, you're making.
I'm doing what?
You're making it sound like I didn't think it through. I did think it through. I did. It's just that.
You did think it through?
Well, here's the thing. When this was flapping because this has all come apart.
Came apart.
So I put the tape on. I started putting the nails in so I can do all the touch up, and then I put the Gorilla Glue on top. This thing I had to pull it out so I could put the Gorilla Glue and then put the nails on. Well, when I pulled it out, the Gorilla Glue came through the back onto your clothes, and it just got like.
You mean this one that I wear? I love this Make Today Count shirt. This one, this glue isn't normal.
Yeah, I think I got it off of this. I saved this one thing.
You saved my leather jacket.
But
what are these?
I told you
this happen to be some of my favorite shirts. Good thing I did laundry and got them all hung up.
This is a really bad mess up. It is. It is probably one of my worst when I've destroyed about 40% of your clothes.
It's just clothing, babe.
I know.
It's just clothing, we happen to be in Kansas City, so you get to take me shopping.
Oh, I hate shopping. That's what makes it even worse. It's like my punishment to myself even.
But is it going to stick together?
Yes, it's now all fixed because this all fell apart. So now the drawers and everything will open and close again. It was off probably a good 3/4 inch. The whole thing was flapping.
You don't think that I can get Gorilla Glue out of the clothes?
No, I know you can't get Gorilla Glue out. The minute you hit it with water, it's activated by water.